One day, I decided to take my Eachine E58 out for a fly. It was a windy day, but I couldn't help myself. For the most part, it flew great, handled the wind well, and surprisingly was able to hold its position. Then the battery started to hit empty, and a final wind took her. Luckily, I was flying her FPV with a TX03 all-in-one cam attached. I caught the entire drone's flyaway, carrying her nearly 1,000 feet from me right before the battery finally died. Eventually, and with the help of the FPV footage along with Google Earth, I was able to track its path and get her back. Here is that very footage.